Hey guys, it's Typees here, and today I'm playing Sliver. This game that I just downloaded the other day. Yeah, I just got double. Anyway, it is called 8 ball pool. 8 ball pool. And just smashed that and got it, which was awesome. Hell yeah. Oh yes, that was sick. Could easily just win this, but if I don't, very annoying. Yes, no, I just lost. Just what's the point of having that dumb rule? Yeah, you can't play now because you just won. You want to keep all the money, Dumbo. It's just a silly rule. If you get the black one and they've already lost, like, what's the point? Now, doesn't it ever let me have a ball going at the start? Hurry up. I haven't got all day to wait for you to try and figure out what ball you want. To try and think what ball you want. To try and to figure out what ball you want to hit. Okay, so I'm the solids. I'm getting annoyed. Just man. How long does it take to do this? I would already be done by now. Don't you dare go exactly. Yes. How? Just how? Everyone else does all these magical shots, but they just like hit it everywhere and it goes in somehow. It never happens for me though. Oh yeah, I'm solids. Why do they always give me all the hard opponents? Yeah, flop. I said flop for a joke, by the way. But not very funny.
Oh, it's on football. Nico just put on the group WhatsApp, come on Italia. Supporting Italy.
Oh yeah, Italy versus Germany. Yay, just done. Black. Go, oh yeah, I'm going for the brown one.
I don't like Nico.
Yes.
I think his sister's lovely. You know that baby she didn't have herself, she adopted it.
Okay.
I think they're Jewish.
Okay, Mum. Please just run out of time. Yeah. Thanks for getting my one in. Oh. Oops. Just as I was thinking, if you imagine, if yeah, you did it as well, you dumb. I wonder who's better than me or him, even though he's put more balls in. But then he got 2 in. Unlucky. What do I go for that? Oh, what a shot. No. Thanks for saying nice shot on. Oops. You just, why not? Hurry up. What is taking you so long? To shoot.
What the hell is that?
This guy's just wasting time. Wow. Is why wait till then? Just wasting people's time. May, you're not gonna... Yeah, you flopped. I need to go for the yellow one. Which I do. Why is it always my balls that stop? No, it's always this white ball that stops my balls from going. The balls that I want to go in always always save the balls that don't go in, that are about to go, but then they don't. Just hurry up. Nay, it doesn't take me this long. And you missed anyway. What's the point of wasting my time? No, what? Oh my. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. Yes, no. Oh, come on. Thanks. Yeah. Please. Let's go. Yeah, he did. Oh, wow. Yeah, he flopped. What? No. Yeah, I declare a rematch. I can't. I don't have enough coins, my friend. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wish I could say my YouTube name. I wish you could just type things on here. Just type. Instead of just using these crappy things. And then you have to... Look, watch this, people. Where is the shop? Look. You have to pay over £1,000 plus.
It's alcohol.
Oh yeah, to get these, like, what the hell? Chat order.
That's how you're tired. You've done fuck all day. It's true. Made in bed till fucking 12.
Anyway, it's been me, Typees, playing 8 Ball Pool. Like and subscribe and see ya.